Well, I'm happy that I have arrived too early in the office, but this is my first day at work. I had to do it. I have to work carefully to avoid mistakes since it is my new job here. The payment is not bad and I like designing. But I don't know how my coworkers will be. I can't wait to meet them. I just want to know, are they friendly or not? It's almost 5 o'clock and I'm sure everyone will arrive now. I should drink a glass of water. But firstly, I need to finish this presentation so my boss can see and be impressed with my work. And it's almost done. It's looking good. I think he will like my work. To refresh my mind, I need to drink some water. This fresh water looks so good. Oh, someone is coming to the side and that must be one of my coworkers. I should talk with him.
Hello, I think you are new to this company. I haven't seen you here before.
Oh yeah, let me introduce myself. I am Robin. I am new employee here.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Robin. I welcome you here.
Thank you so much. You are the first person here with whom I am talking.
Oh, if I'm not wrong, is it your first day, right?
Yes, it is my first day here. I am working in the design department.
Oh, our company was looking for a new graphic designer. You must be the new designer, right?
Yeah, you are correct. I had my interview last week and I got the job after that. Now I am here.
That's awesome. You got the job so quickly. You will love this company because the environment is so good.
Well, I don't know anything very well yet, but I like the water that I drank just.
Not only that, we also have a great dining hall on the top floor.
That sounds good. I didn't bring my lunch today. I would eat outside.
It's okay, we can have lunch together. Did you meet already with our boss?
That's a good idea. I haven't met with the boss, but he said he would come and check my work.
Oh, I see. He tends to be moody sometimes. So you just be careful with him.
I heard about him. He's very strict about work. Is that true?
It's true, but he's also a friendly person. If you finish your duties properly, he will never get angry with you.
I got it. I will try to complete my duties always on time. I will not give him chance to complain. Well, what about the rest of the team? I only see you here.
They come late to the office, which I also hate. They should come to the office on time. Boss gets angry with them because of this reason, but they repeat the same mistake.
It's normal for me to arrive on time or earlier to the job. It was the same in my last job.
Well, you are doing well. We need people who can be responsible for their jobs and arrive on time. That's good. Then, isn't your first job as a graphic designer?
No, I have worked in different companies before coming here. I have enough experience working for the company.
Did you work for Spassek's company? I worked there for more than 3 years. I didn't like it. I quit the job.
Yeah, I worked there almost 5 years ago. Even I don't remember anything properly, but I didn't like it either.
The problem was the supervisor. He doesn't know how to face difficult situations.
And now I can recall things he was terrible at his job.
Yeah, right. But the payment was good, on the other hand.
Tell me about that. The best part was the bonuses you could get every month.
Yeah, I remember I made $4,000 in 1 month. It was amazing.
Yeah, you could work harder and get paid for that. They really valued your work well.
That's the thing. Unluckily, they had a terrible supervisor, and he was never fired.
And he will never be because he was the owner of the company, son. So, you know?
Seriously. Wow, I didn't know that. Now I can understand a lot of things.
I was waiting for the day when he can be fired. But when I found out about that, I decided to quit.
I almost got fired there because discussion about some reports and those things.
I feel you, bro. It was really easy to get involved in a fight there. Too easy.
Yeah, I didn't agree with one of the reports. I did it well and it was someone else's mistake.
It It used to happen to me also, so I can relate to you, my friend. He doesn't seem to be a kind person.
By the way, how much will you get paid in your first month?
I agreed to start with the minimum salary, but in my third month, it will be increased.
Oh, everyone is coming now. Let's go for lunch. We'll talk more later.
Sure, it was a nice conversation with you. Thanks.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.